All right, so basically the operating system is more like the layer between the application and the hardware layers. And so in order for communication to take place, it has to go through this operating system, like I said earlier. And this operating system will be doing the moving of communications and also moving of data around all these components. But within the system, there is some kind of understanding between the various components, like the softwares and the hardwares, that layer which makes sure that the software understands the kind of communication that the operating system needs to know is the drivers. So the drivers is, so basically if you buy maybe a mouse, the mouse will install its drivers onto the operating system to tell the operating system that, hey, when I say click right, this is what I mean. When I say click left, this is what I mean. When I say do this, this is what I mean. And so the drivers is that guy that communicates with your operating system directly, well, directly in order to pass information.